channel once again. It's your boy Nick Asa. In today's video, I'm preparing a garden egg stew with you, and these are my ingredients. I have my pepper, my onion, my garden eggs, my cocoa, my garlic, my eggs, my tomatoes, and my smoked fish. So I'm going to combine all these ingredients to prepare a very simple but delicious stew. You can actually have this stew with rice, yam, plantain, and a lot more other food. So stay with me while we prepare this together. Okay, so guys, first of all, I'm going to be cutting my garden eggs into two. So while I wait for my garden eggs to cook, I will chop my tomatoes. So guys, my tomatoes are chopped as expected, so I'm going to transfer it here and start chopping my onion. I have my onions here. So I'm done chopping my onions. I'm going to my pepper is very small, so I'm not going to blend it. I'm going to grind it in an earthenware bowl. Okay, so guys, I'm chopping this to be very small because I'm going to grind it. It has to be small so that it can easily blend. So this is it. I'm going to blend the pepper, the onion, and the garlic. Okay, so guys, our pepper is well grinded. Pepper is well grinded, so I'll transfer it into a different bowl, and then I'll wait for the garden eggs to be ready, and I will grind it. I am going to grind the garden eggs because I don't want to blend it. I don't want it to be too smooth. I want it to be a little rough. Okay guys, so garden eggs is also ready. I'm going to grind it. Okay guys, so the garden eggs is also blended to how I expect it to be. So now we are going to begin the combination. Okay, so guys, so I'm going to fry my onions. I'm actually using palm oil. Yeah, these are my onions. These are my palm oil. So we just started a combination like that. I'm going to wait for a little bit for the onion to fry, and then I'll add my fish and the cocoa. cocoa so that it will fry together with the onion. The function of this cocoa is to give the stew very wonderful aroma. My Ghanaian will relate. They can relate. Yeah. Some of you may not know what it's like, but if you have used it before, it's very nice when you add it to a stew like this type. So at this point, I'm adding my broken fish. The fish must be broken into pieces so that it will also fry with the onion. You have to let it fry for some time before you add the nesting. So you can leave a comment in the comment section below. So I fried my onions first, and I added my cocoa, and then I added my broken fish. So you can comment what's the next thing to be added. What's the next thing to be added? Let me remind you, we are using ingredients like tomatoes, grinded pepper, grinded garden eggs. So after you have fried your onion and your cocoa and your broken fish for some time, what's the next thing you're going to add? Comment in the comment section. Okay, so guys, since you weren't able to answer that question, the next thing you're going to be adding is your chopped onion. So of course your chopped onion, tomatoes, your chopped tomatoes is the next thing you're going to add. So when you add your onion, why am I mentioning onion like that? The next thing, when you add your tomatoes, your chopped tomatoes, you're going to have to leave it to cook for some time, and then you add the next thing. I'm not going to mention it. So guys, I'm getting my egg ready. I'm getting my egg ready. As you can see, our tomatoes, it's cooking, it's properly cooking. I'll bring the next thing soon. I'll leave it to cook a little more. So guys, I think I'm satisfied with the tomatoes. So the next thing I'm going to add is my pepper. Almost there. Leave it to cook for some time. I think it's okay for me to add some salt. So the next thing I'm going to add is my egg. So this is how I'm doing it, because I want it to give me some balls, some round balls. So I'll create a hole in the stew for it. I'll just be pouring it gradually. after this, I'm going to cover it. Let me fill it here. So after this, you're going to cover it for some time. Okay guys, so we are going to open it and see. That's it. This is how we want it to be. This is exactly how we want it to be. And then I'll cover it again for some few minutes, like 2 minutes. So guys, I think it's okay now. So the stew is almost ready. We're going to be adding our grinded garden eggs, and the stew is ready. We're adding our grinded garden eggs. The stew is just ready like that. And stir. So guys, I'm adding a little nutmeg powder to it to give it a flavor. So at this point, you want to lower the fire because the stew is almost ready. So you have to lower your fire, your stove, and leave it to cook. And then the stew is ready. Oh my god, it's delicious. You can eat this with anything at all you want. I'm actually going to enjoy this with plantain because I really like plantain. So guys, our stew is ready. So this is how to prepare a simple, delicious garden egg stew. It's very delicious. I wish you can come over to try it. It's very, very delicious. So the stew is done. The stew is ready, guys.